Welcome to iHealth Consult. If you are over 60 or caring for someone who is, you know how important mobility, strength, and independence are for a healthy life. Today, you're about to learn a complete 60-minute guide for seniors, including exercises, safety tips, and lifestyle advice. Grab a chair, a water bottle, and let's start your journey to stronger, healthier years ahead. And don't forget to subscribe to iHealth Consult for more health tips and routines. Why exercise matters after 60. Discuss muscle loss and bone density decline. Did you know? After age 50, adults lose about 1 to 2% of muscle every year if they don't exercise. This leads to weakness, falls, and loss of independence. Impact on mental health and longevity. Exercise not only prevents falls, it reduces depression, improves sleep, and even slows aging. Scientific studies, WHO, CDC recommendations. Experts recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate activity per week for seniors. But don't worry, this guide will make it simple. Warm up. Before any workout, warming up is key. Here's a quick warm-up you can do in 5 minutes. Neck rolls, 30 seconds. Shoulder shrugs, 1 minute. Arm circles, 1 minute. March in place, 2 minutes. 5 essential exercises. Each exercise will have explanation, benefits plus why it matters, proper form steps, variations for different fitness levels, rep count plus timer guidance. 1. Sit to stand, 5 minutes. This is your independence exercise. It strengthens your legs for daily tasks like getting up from a chair or bed. Do 10 to 15 reps, rest, repeat 3 times. 2. Heel raises, 5 minutes. Strong ankles equals better balance. This exercise prevents falls. 3. Marching in place, 5 minutes. Improves blood flow, keeps hips and knees flexible. 4. Wall push UPS, 5 minutes. Safe way to strengthen arms, chest, and core. 5. Single leg balance, 5 minutes. Balance is everything after 60, reduces fall risk drastically. Bonus moves. Seated knee extensions. Gentle torso twists. Ankle circles for circulation. Cool down. Stretching keeps muscles flexible and prevents stiffness. Hamstring stretch. Calf stretch. Chest opener. Nutrition and lifestyle tips. Exercise is half the story. Eating right and staying hydrated are equally important. Foods for joint health, omega-3s, greens. Protein for muscle maintenance. Hydration tips. Motivation and FAQ. You might wonder, is it too late to start exercising? Absolutely not. Even small movements daily make a big difference. Answer common questions. Share real success stories of seniors who improved mobility. Congratulations! You've just completed your full senior fitness guide. Do these exercises daily, eat well, and you'll notice improvements in strength and energy within weeks. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share with friends, and subscribe to iHealth Consult for more.